What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Nothing's wrong with it.
So why you here?
Honestly, I'm tired of the orange color. Everybody got orange, everybody got white, everybody got blue. Like, I'm tired of all that. Tired of all that stuff. The orange is ugly now. Honestly, I'm tired of it. I was hoping to do like a little color change if you could.
Color change? Don't worry, I got you.
All right, thank you. Hold on. Ice.
Surgery time. Interesting. Everything that you see here will go on the new housing.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
I'm gonna heat it up.
5 minutes later.
It's hot, so I will have to keep this. Gonna use the wireless charger and remove everything and transfer on the new housing. This will go on a new back glass, and this is basura.
2,000 years later.
Your phone is ready,
Oh my God.
sir.
Bro, what
Now
the
it's
Wow.
good to go. Everything
hell? Oh my
it's
God.
there, and you got brand new color.
Oh my God. I was really tired of that orange color, bro. Wow, and everything works too in the camera. It's crazy. It looks so good too. Oh my God. You're really the magic man, bro. You really be doing magic for real.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today.